Have you ever wanted to build a website in just a few hours? Imagine being able to take a customer's request or an internal request and turn it into a website in just a little bit. That's what our Learn with the Nerds event is going to promise you in this next session on Power Pages. I'm here with Matt Peterson today, and we're going to walk you through the creation of the data all the way to actually seeing that live on a web page. What else, Matt, can they expect?
Learn how to take things with security, control that data, who's going to see that data, learn how to style it in all under 2 hours.
We'll be there answering questions as well in the chat window as well as live, and we look forward to seeing you there at our next Learn with the Nerds event.